Hello everyone, welcome to the Bodhi Academy. In today's video, we are going to continue with our class 7 science chapter 7, that is weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. So in the earlier videos, we have already learnt about what is weather, what is a weather report, then what are the different elements or the factors which affect the weather. Then we have also learnt about the climate. Okay, so it is the average weather pattern taken over a long time, for example about 25 years. So in today's video we are going to learn about the climate and adaptations. Okay, so let us first see what do we mean by adaptations. Now a living organism can survive in a particular habitat only if its body is well suited to the climate of that place or climate of that habitat. So animals and plants develop special features or special characters in their body, or they may develop special habits which help them survive better in their habitats. Okay, so whatever this presence of specific body changes in the body which enables the plant or animal to live in a particular habitat are called as adaptation. So whatever changes that happen in their body to help them survive better in a condition or in an environment are called as adaptations. These also include the habits which the animal or the organism follow to survive better in that environment. Now the body features and habits that help organisms to adapt to their particular habitats or surroundings are the result of evolution. So how do these changes take place in the organisms, or how do these habits are formed? It is all the result of the process called as the evolution. So as organisms evolve, they adapt to their surroundings so that they can survive better. Then adaptation can help animals to survive in their environment by enabling them to withstand extreme climates. Okay, so different organisms develop different characters which help them to survive in extreme cold or extreme hot climates. Then they also help them to obtain food, maybe to hide. Okay, some of the features help the animals or the plants to camouflage or to hide, and also to be safe, and others can help them to catch prey. Now let us first talk about the polar region. What are the climatic conditions and adaptations that are seen in the polar region? So polar region is marked by extreme climatic conditions. Okay, so it is very cold for maximum part of the year. So most of the time of the year it is very cold in the polar region. Then in this region the sun does not set for 6 months and does not rise for the remaining 6 months. So the animals which are found in the polar regions are polar bear and penguins. Okay, as we can see over here, the polar bears and the penguins are found in this polar region. Then let us see the adaptive features of polar bear to overcome the climatic conditions. What are the different characteristics which have developed or which are adapted by the polar bears to survive in these extremely cold conditions? First one is white fur to escape the predators. Okay, so as we can see here in the picture, in the polar region there is snow everywhere, and that is why these animals have white fur, so that they can camouflage or hide from their predator. Then again they have strong sense of smell to locate and catch its prey. Okay, as we can see here, the white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background, and its predator and prey are unable to see the polar bear. Then the second one is it has a very strong sense of smell. Okay, which helps them to locate and catch their prey. Then the third one is it has long curved and sharp claws. Okay, so as you can see, it has very long curved and sharp claws which will help these polar bears to walk on ice. Then another thing is they have a layer of fat under their skin. Okay, a layer of fat is present under their skin which will act as an insulator. So the fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. Then the last point is it has two thick layers of fur. Okay, so basically this more layers of fur is also to keep them warm from the cold climate. So two thick layers of fur and a layer of fat to keep the body warm in cold conditions. Then wide and large paws for swimming and walking on the snow. So these are all the adaptive features which are seen in the polar bear, which help them survive better in the polar region. Then talking about the adaptive features of a penguin. So again, as we can see over here in this picture, they also have white fur which will help them to hide from their predators and also help them while hunting their prey. Then they also have thick skin and layer of fat under the skin. Same way they will also have layer of fat and thick skin which will help which will act as insulator and help them keep their body warm in the cold, extreme cold climates. Then they have a streamlined body. As we can see, they have a streamlined body which will help them in which will make swimming easier for them. And again they will have webbed feet. They will have webbed feet which will help them for swimming. See, their bodies are streamlined and their feet have webs, making them good swimmers. So these are the adaptations which are seen in the animals of the polar region. In the next video, we will learn about the adaptations of organisms in the tropical rainforest. So this is all in this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.